of those that edit button you clicked. Correct. That name should come in this text box. Now to send the value in the text box, you have a function called peak name. That function is responsible. So put here called peak name, alert remove and put called peak name. So this name value will go to the full name variable and from full name it will assign to the text box. Only name we have passed as of now. We need to pass everything. Check one field is coming, name. Whichever the edit you click, that name should appear here. Now write the same for the mobile also. Pick mobile function you can call. Mobile is the property inside your user list array. Here you have a property called mobile. Name we are accessing and we are accessing called mobile. So both property we pass here. Name as well as mobile.
In both boxes, name will come.
Both boxes different value. How name will come? Here what you are sending? Name or mobile? One place name, another place mobile. Name will go to the name, mobile will go to mobile. Okay. Next after this, come inside, I'll give you the key. Okay. Now both values are coming. Right? Both values are coming. Wherever you click, both value will appear. Name, mobile, both will get changed. Right? Getting changed also. Next work will be when we click on save user, you can see it's creating a new user. It should update it. Okay. Reason on button click, you have called this function save, and save will update, save will create a new, it will not update. Okay. We have to create a variable. Create one more variable called user index. User index. write function called update index. Update index equal to useState. By default, index give as a empty, or give not empty -1, because array will not start from -1. It will start from 0. Default value is -1. Okay, so user index is created. Now come down with the help of update index. With the help of update index, pass the index inside. Pass the index inside. Pass the index inside. Okay. Index we pass. Now the save button we have created. After this and before table, write in a paragraph tag dash mesh variable. What was that? User index. Variable name was user index. Variable name was user index. Okay. Given the user index, now run it and click on see by default what is the value -1. If you click on anywhere, value will get changed and the data will appear here. We can add some more value here and see. Okay. Now, when I click on edit of 0, value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see according to click, what is happening? According to click, the index is getting changed. Index is getting changed. Now when you click on the save function, you will check like index is greater than 0, greater than -1. If greater than -1, then don't create the new, update it. Else, if it is a -1, then only add it. Else, update it. What is the default value? Default value is -1. So if the default value is -1 and user is adding here, then don't update, just you add it. Just you add it. Create the new, since the value is -1. When the user will click on this edit and click on save button, then don't create the new. Why? Because index is not -1, index is 1. So user has click on edit button. or user has click on 2. So now value becomes a 2, index becomes a 2. So in that case, if you click on save button, it should not save, it should update. Okay, come now. So index we printed, come now. In edit user, no need to do anything. In edit user, everything is done. Okay. In the save function, look at here. This is for adding the new user, right? Adding the new user, no? So we'll write a condition here. If user index not equal to user index double equal to -1, double equal to -1. If user index is holding -1, then do this work. Add the new user. If user index is -1, then add the new user. If user index is -1, then add the new user, else what to do? Else don't add. What to do? Update. You need to do update. So first add this if else part. Add the if else. Okay, so if written, now come to the else part. If user index is -1, then what to do? Add. Else update. So for updating purpose, in user list array, on a particular index, in user list array on a user index, in user list array on a user index. So user list array is holding 10, 12. User index represents 0, 1, 2, 3. So inside the user list array on a particular position, update this value. Which value? This one. Call it a new user. In new user, value will come from the text box. Mobile number and name will come from the text box. Okay. Right. Try this and see, update will not happen as of now. Next. Person has a backlog of 8 to 15 papers in detail. How many papers will be there? Every semester, 6 papers. Yes. If the 14 paper is pending, then 14 paper is back. 14 paper is backlog. They want to become engineer directly. 14 papers.
So you will be taking
14 paper.
14 paper, then need one more. Yes.
He will get NFT paper, NFT certificate. NFT, not fit for technique. NFT, no, NFT means not fit for technology. Do something else. Not fit for technology. Okay, written. Now check, update will happen. Not update. It will not happen as of now. Okay, it will not reflect in the browser. It's reflecting. Let me show you once. Oh, edit. I'll remove this. Update happen. Okay. In user list, we have a index. On that we updated the value. Okay. Let's add again new value and then check. Okay, after updating that, the user index should go to the minus again. User index again should go to the again how much? -1 default value. User index you need to reset again to the -1. When it was -1, then you have added the value. When it is not -1, you are updating the value, and after updating you set the index to how much? -1. Now save the data and update the data. Add 34 and update it. Save once. Save update. Delete also. Save will happen, update will happen, delete will also happen. Hello. Okay, then we can work on next level of problem. So see, let's add some value and then try to modify to this should be C D something. Okay, now suppose I'll go for the B. Change to B2. 577 update is what updated here. Right? In case if you want to delete it, it will be reindexed. Okay.
Your message is not sent.
Which message?
Save success.
Save successfully. You have not changed the message. How it will change? You have written here save successfully. Correct? Now if you update it, then only it will happen, no? So we have not updated anything here. We write here call user.name updated successfully. User.name updated successfully. Same way, you copy this. So first modify here. When you save, same message will come. When you update message will come. Hello. Please sir, comment. What order? ये जो 14-15 पेजेस था इधर का वही क्वेश्चन है ना एग्रीमेंट वाला में 14 पेजेस था उसका इसी एक मिनट अच्छा उसमें टोटल जो पिन किया हुआ है उसी पे करना है बता रहे अच्छा इसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस 14 है तो ये भी पूरा वो बॉल बैटिंग कॉलेज से फोन के सर्टिफिकेट सर्टिफिकेट सब लोग ने ले हम दो बंदे नहीं ले अरे क्या कर रिसीव से कैसे बोल रहा है Now message will change, no? The date. Updated. Message came updated successfully. After that, if you add something, message will come. Save successfully. Again, if we edit this, updated successfully. Then we'll go for the next component. Create hook 4.js, or you have created 4. 4 is created. Create hook 5. Hook 5. 5.js. Import React, comma, useState from React. Import is done. Const myhook 4 or 5. Port default myhook 5. Okay. Now right inside, create a variable. Let user equal to, we have made one component. I hope you remember this component. This customer. In customer component, it is in basic. You have one array. Copy that array. Customer component have one array. Copy that here. Return h1 total users user.length. Check once, it should display inside the page. Which link? Import it, add in the routing. Import in app.js file. For my hook 5, my hook 5, 5, my hook 5. Okay. Now display in this file the name of users in one division. Print only the name of users. Print the name of city. So user dot map. My user, print only the name of city. My user dot city. It will print only the okay, print it. Let me know also.
2 लाख में नहीं है 3 लाख में नहीं है बैठे बैठे एक महीने में आ जाएगा।
हम तो 1,80,000 में दिए ना CMMC।
हाँ, करना नहीं पड़ेगा। इन एक महीने में करा 2 साल लगा।
फायदा नहीं।
फायदा क्या हुआ, वहाँ फायदा होता तो यहाँ घुमा।
नहीं नहीं, वो हम हमारा जब आया था पैसा आया था तो कोविड हो गया। कोविड में कंपनी खा नहीं कर रहा, इसलिए हमको
पार्टी देगा भाई। देखिए
चलो
चलो
दो मिनट,
स्पिरिट में स्पिरिट
फिर
बात कहीं स्पिरिट में दे दो।
चलो देखते हैं, चलो।
हाँ जो है ना थोड़ा परेशान है, इधर उधर भाग जाओ, there is some paperwork. हाँ, right, so it is printing the name of all the users, right? We want to make it clickable. On click, call a function called getinfo dot or get details, better get details dot bind, and inside you pass this comma index, हाँ हेलो, हाँ भैया किधर है? हाँ कहाँ पे? अच्छा कला मंदिर के पास है, ठीक है रुकिए, मैं आ रहा हूँ, मैं बाहर ही हूँ, आ रहा हूँ मैं, 1 मिनट। हाँ आ रहा है 1 मिनट रुकिए। Half an hour it will take for the message. Okay, do something. He is waiting near to that Kala Mandir. Go next. Non-responsibility meaning is something wrong, okay? People will be in tension, no? The delivery will not happen properly. That is the case. We given some paperwork to some people here. Her husband was not well. During that time, she did the work. Out of 14 pages, 10 pages she put the seal and 4 pages she left like that. Paper one went to the company HR called saying like 4 paper seal is missing. Okay, write this function. Get details. Equal to. People are not essential here nowadays. They can't wait for 1 minute. Index. Alert the index. Getting alert?
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3. What is the error for me? Compilation error or compilation error? Const get details. Okay, I have imported something wrong on the top. So it's like this. When we click, it's showing as a 0, 1, 2, 3. You found him? You got him? Look little here there, no? Maybe after that or maybe here there. Look little forward. Number you have, no? Car number. Okay. हेलो भैया, काला मंदिर के पास किधर है आप? उधर कहीं दिख नहीं रहा है। वॉक कर रहा था, कैसे उठाएगा? आप किधर हो? काला मंदिर के पास आगे बढ़ गए हो क्या? किधर? हाँ, तो अपोजिट साइड। हाँ हाँ। अच्छा, वो डाउन में है क्या? वो सरजापुर रोड वाला डाउन में है क्या? ठीक है। I see what he's saying. Like he's saying, like Kala Mandir is there, no? From there we go to the Sarjapur road in that outer ring road. Okay, so he's little forward. He's just standing little forward. I have sent you one number in the this one text. Call him. Okay. Okay. So do one thing that in the corner the furniture shop is there, no? Furniture shop. And from furniture shop, what is that? User of index. User of index. User of index. Okay, update info. Update info. So what will happen now? You are clicking on link of the user. So whichever the link is clicked, whichever the name is clicked, that index will come here. Based on that index, like suppose index came as a 1. So in user array on one position, this will be there. This complete details we are sending to update info, and from update info it will go to the user info. But when the page will load first time, you have to display something in that, right? So instead of putting here as a empty, you have to pass here user info of 0. User info of 0. So user of 0. User of 0, what it will hold? User of 0 will hold the first user details, and that will go by default to user info. And when we click on any name, index will come here 0, 1, 2, 3. By default under user info, 0 position details were stored. As you click on third, 3 will come here. Then third position details will go to where? Update info, and from update info, it will change under the user info. So user info is one variable that is holding the first city user details by default list, and according to click, the index will get changed, and that from user array, particular index data will assign to the update info, and indirectly user info content will keep changing. Here is the work now. So if we done this one, come down now. After this division, create another division. Inside the division, we need to display H2 customer from user info.city. User info.city. Okay, written. Now come down below and print other things in the p tag. Call list of users. User info dot. In user info, you will get this one. Which one? User. So indirectly, city if you are able to print, then what will come? User will come. User info dot user dot map. Because the number of users will be different. Name of the user as well as index 2. Name of the user as well as index 2. Now print below, return p tag. Print inside call name, name, and right here call index, key equal to index, equal to index 2. Check now. By default, list from Bangalore, list from Pune, list from Delhi, list from Chennai. Once you click here, that data will keep change below. Something like this. We will display this in the right side. This is coming the left side. This will keep in the right side. We'll put some CSS. Automatically it will come. Right here, ID equal to left block and ID equal to right block. Keep both display in line block and apply some width for both. Left block, this should be right block. Left block and right block. Write some CSS for left block, write some CSS for right block. Okay, so wrote some CSS. Left block and right block. Under the index.css file, you have to write as left block display in line block, and width 250 pixel. This is also display in line block. It is 50 pixel. It will fit side by side. It will fit side by side. Click on the left. Okay, we have to write both the places. Vertical align top. Vertical align top. Here also vertical align top. So that it will print from the beginning. Up down will not happen. For left section, we can give some certain height. maybe 300 px or 200 px, and something box shadow, box shadow 0 px, 0 px, 5 px, orange color. Check now, something like this. Oh, little padding was required and margin is also required. Padding 30 px and margin right. Item right 40 px. Then it will look better. Like this. And click here. Happening. Okay.